Hello students. Now today's topic is that basically natural numbers, whatever the natural numbers are there, you have to find whether the given number is a perfect square or not. जो number दिया है वो square है कि नहीं ये पता लगाना है. For that we are using one property. In this property what we are going to do? We are going to subtract the odd numbers from it, starting from 1. 1 by 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. As usual we are going to subtract it consecutively. One by one, and finally you should go reach up to 0. You should get 0, then we'll say that it is a perfect square. But if you are not getting that 0, then it is not a perfect square. Just watch, just remember, natural number cannot be expressed as a sum of successive odd number starting with 1, then it is not a perfect square. What does this mean? If it is cannot, this natural number cannot be expressed as sum of successive odd numbers, continuously 1, 3, 5, successively it should go. It should start with 1. Then it is not a perfect square. Converse is also always true. What is the converse? But if we are expressing it, it can be expressed as a sum of successive numbers starting 1, then it can become a perfect square. If it is expressed successively with the odd number, then we can call it as a perfect square if we are getting finally 0. Let's watch. Now watch what we are going to, how we are going to subtract successively 1, 3, 5 dot dot. Just I am taking simple first steps. I have taken 121 minus 1, that will be 120, that will be 117. 117 minus 5, 1, we are again subtracting, that will be 112. 112, that will become 105. 105 minus how much? 9. So what will be our answer?
96.
That will be 96. And 96 minus 11. So how much we are getting over here?
85.
That will be 85. Again we are continuing. 85 minus 13. So our answer will be 72. 72 minus 15. Again what we are, how much we are getting? That will be 57. Again 57 minus 17. Again we are getting 40. 40 minus 19. How much we are getting now over here?
21.
That will be 21. And 21 minus 21, here we are getting 0. This is what the final part is. Now how? Now we can say that in this case 121 is a perfect square. Perfect square of 11. We know that. What is 121? It is 11 into 11. We have found out the perfect square by using this method of subtract successive consecutive numbers, odd numbers are subtracted, and finally we are getting 0. Now in next problem we are going to see that how it is not a perfect square. Let's. Now next number is 55 I have taken. This is just an example for your understanding. On observing also you can guess easily that 55 is not a square. आप तो जानते हैं ये 55 square नहीं है. Then to using this method we will prove that. Just see, very simple method, very easy method, good to score marks in this method actually. 55 minus क्या करेंगे सर? What we are going to do first? That would be minus 1, that will be 54. 54 minus 3, that will be 51. 51 minus 5, that will be 46. 46 minus 7, that will be 39. 39 minus 9, that will be 30. 30 minus 11, that will be 19. And 19 minus 13,
6.
how much? That will be
6.
6, sorry. Yes, I was writing 7 over here. 6, you are correct. 6. Now further we can't go, it will become a negative. So this 55 is not a perfect square. This is not a perfect square. Thank you.